What up YouTube, welcome back, and today I have a very special project. I have been given a BMX bike. Now this bike is been around for God only knows how long. It used to be my sister's and her boyfriend's, and they don't use it anymore, and they know I like to restore things, so they've given it to me. I'm very grateful for it. It's quite rusty, all the tyres are blown, and it could do with a complete total revamp, I reckon, considering we do restore things on this channel. So let's get into it. I've tried to keep everything where it is. All the wheels are here, brake lines intact and still connected to their rightful places. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep all the brakes. The subframe is completely dismantled. This would not come out. I think it might be attached to the bike. I'll have a further look. I'm going to keep this in because it's still in very good tact. There's no point dismantling that. I'm going to get everything back to the shed, and then we're going to start paint stripping, so it's gonna look great. The metal is starting to oxidize a little bit and a bit of surface rust is happening. Plus some of the paint didn't come off all the way, but that's okay because I reckon we're going to have to sand this anyway, getting ready for paint. And I found that this is aluminium. Yeah, it's not rusting, and I was wondering I should polish it, but I don't have the tools to polish it, so I'm just going to paint it black the way it originally was. Let's see how we go after that. Cool, so we now sanded it all and it looks pretty good. I like it. It looks really nice. Took a while, I must say, and I did incorporate this tool. Actually, really good tool. I don't know what I'd do without it. But yeah, have a look at the results. They're really good. Alrighty guys, I'm super excited. It's now time for my favorite time of the day is paint. Oh, it's gonna be so great. Alrighty, first coat is done. I think it looks pretty good. Let's have a quick look. So it's just a light coat that I've just sprayed over the entire body. So far the shine's looking pretty good, especially on the handlebars. Nice smooth edges, all thanks to the paint stripper. Left no gouges or any rust marks anywhere. Same to go with these as well. All in all, very happy. I'm going to come back in about half an hour and apply the second coat. And I will have a mask. Better late than never. Well, that can's empty. So here we have it guys, we're at the final stage of this build and geez, it's been a long time coming. It's probably been short for you but long for me because it's been a couple of days and you've seen me change my shirt one too many times, but I just wanted to say that I have different wheels. So these are the old wheels, looking pretty bad I reckon, and these are the new ones. A couple of Max Daddies. Now these wheels have been around longer than those wheels I just showed you and I've polished the absolute heck out of them. They were looking pretty bad in some rough shape, but I have polished them and I think I've done a pretty good job for the state of which they were. I've also got a couple other peripherals like handlebar grips, new pedals, a new tube because one of these tubes are blown. So now here is the fun part, the assembly. Hope you guys enjoy. So there we have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Do leave a like, comment, and possibly subscribe if you enjoyed this build. I know I'm pretty big for this bike, but it is a load of fun to ride and it was fun to rebuild. Thanks guys for sticking around this long, and I hope to see you in the next video. I'll see you then.